Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the pneumonia disease detection using machine learning. So let's open the project folder, and these are the images for using the interface part. Browse input image, predict output, about, exit, back button. Okay, this will be the about section. Like pneumonia disease detection is a machine learning based project designed using tkinter module of Python and developed using Python programming language. CNN is the algorithm that is used to train the model, and aim of the tool is to determine disease in the X-ray image. If disease is found, it classifies the class of disease. Okay, this will be the home page. Let's go back. Now open the model folder. So this will be the model. User have trained particular model from the dataset and training code. These are the testing images. Dataset link. We have trained model to that particular dataset and downloaded from Kaggle. Let's open that link. So this will be the particular dataset. Open the training folder. Now there are two subfolder, normal and pneumonia. Normal have 1341 files and pneumonia 3875 files. So let's close that. This will be the training code of pneumonia disease. So we are importing the necessary libraries. We are importing all those libraries like matplotlib, seaborn, keras, sklearn, opencv, and os. This will be the description of the pneumonia dataset. So there will be two classes, pneumonia and normal, loading dataset, and data visualization and pre-processing, previewing the image of both the classes. We perform a grayscale normalization to reduce the effect of illuminations differences. Moreover, the CNN converges faster on 0 to 1 data than on 0.255. Normalize the data, resize data for deep learning, data augmentation. With data augmentation to prevent overfitting and handling the imbalance in dataset. Training the model, analysis after model training, plotting the graph, some of the correctly predicted classes and some of the incorrectly predicted classes. Let's close. And this will be the main file that contain the interface part as well. So from line first to 10, we are importing the libraries and we are creating the home window. That will be the title, pneumonia disease detection. And we are importing the particular image, home.png. We are giving the geometry 900 into 653 and resizable 0, 0. We are defining the function, exit function, that are you sure you want to exit, and the warning icon. If yes, then home window will destroy, or else return you will now to the main screen. Now we are browsing the image, PNG, JPG, and JPEG format. This will be the prediction function. We are importing the model pneumonia.h5, and there are two predictions, normal or pneumonia, and the predicted output is, it will show the percentage. And this will be the about section. Import that particular about.png image in the left and right direction, like in the x and y axis. And it will give the geometry 900 into 653 and images 5.png. We are importing that particular image. So these are 1, 2, 3, and 4 images .png. Let's open the images folder. So these all the 4 images which we are importing to that code. So now let's run the project. We have to open the terminal here and write python space main.py. Then hit enter. It will open the home page. We have to browse input image. Let's open testing image. Let's select this image and then click on the predict output. So it will show the prediction is normal, 99.98%. Let's close. Let's browse another input image. Select another image and then click on the predict output. So it will show the normalize 99.73% normal. Let's select another image. Then click on the predict output. This will also normal 99.81%. Let's select any other image. Then click on the predict output. The prediction is pneumonia 64.17%. Okay, let's close. Now browse any other image. Let's select this image. Then click on the predict output. So it predict 61.17% pneumonia in that particular image. Let's close. This will be the about section. It will show the about the page. Let's go back. Let's click on the exit button. Yes. So this will be the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're searching projects related to computer science domain, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, web development, app development, or game development, then you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.